Wagwan, 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 my people. Bless up. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Monday morning. It's the start of the week. It's the start of a brand new week, and it's time for you to set those goals and achieve them by Friday. Zane, I know the weekend was fun for you guys. I hope you guys kept safe. I kept safe. And this is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you all the updates in lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and around the world. Guys, we are back. Yaw Tog faces Backlash for new freestyle. Yaw Tog, you see? Up the sun and anyway. Egypt celebrates rich heritage with Gala. Go to Egypt. My name is Kevoy Burton. Let's get into it, guys. Now, rising star American rapper Yaw Tog was recognized by BET International as their star for April. Shared on their social media page, they described him as the artist of the month, set to be the next big thing in music. Woyoy! However, that did not save him from the recent backlash he's facing. Following his Time EP, Yaw Tog has just released a freestyle that isn't going down well with fans. Several felt it was terrible and were quick to let their thoughts known. But you don't know the thing going on. We have it right here for you. So let's check it out. American rapper Aka was met with some devastating news early in the morning of Sunday. His fiancee, Nelly Thembe, passed away in a tragic accident. Aka has been in the music scene for years, performing worldwide, working alongside some of the biggest names in the industry, including some of the Ghanaian and Nigerian musicians. The family shared the news on social media, stating that the loss was hard on all of them and they needed time to grieve. As per usual, the rapper had just proposed in February of 2021. He hasn't shared anything, but he did post a loved-up picture of the two of them on his social. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family. Can you imagine the guy just engaged to the girl? He just proposed to the girl in February. Jaja. Condolences, my brother. Condolences. It must be hard. Unfortunately, that's not all. The world was rocked by the death announcement of Prince Philip, the Queen of England's husband. He passed away aged 99 following his most recent battle with COVID-19. Off topic, why is he a prince and not a king? Across the globe, several have shared their memories with him and reached out to the family. He was a great lover of the Land Rover cars, having eventually convinced them to be the official car of the royal family. In a fitting send-off, the family plans to use his very own fully customized Land Rover as a part of the ceremony. Both Queen Elizabeth and her son, Prince Charles, made public announcement to the country. Prince Harry is also said to be flying back to attend the funeral. Again, our thoughts and prayers are with them. And another death that struck the world, that really took the world by surprise, was the death of rapper DMX. You know DMX. What is one from a nigga? You know that guy. He passed away over the weekend. His family was surrounding him when he died, and the talented rapper who died from an overdose. Rest in peace, DMX. Egypt is known for its rich heritage and history. Just recently, one of their museums decided to host a gala to celebrate the time of pharaohs. The ceremony was celebrating the transport of 22 of its prized royal mummies from central Cairo to their new resting place in a massive new museum further south in the capital. Can you imagine these people dead long time, lying down where they are, and somebody just come lift up their dead body and carry them somewhere else to go and show? The mummies included King Ramses II and the only female pharaoh, Queen, if you think I can pronounce this word, let me see if I can pronounce this word. Queen Hatshepsut. Hey, listen. The parade was aired on TV in an attempt to attract foreign tourists by publicizing ancient artifacts. The tourism industry has greatly suffered from political turmoil and the coronavirus pandemic. The coronavirus affected every single country in this world. Now, we've got some excerpts of the event, so let's look at it. Guys, this is all we have for you today, but don't worry, guys, you don't know everything happening every day, so we have highlights for you tomorrow when you come back. Zane, you don't know, this is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. My name is Kevoy Burton. Little more, big up yourself.